Email is still one of the most powerful marketing channels, and Brevo is actually a pretty great email marketing tool that is quite inexpensive. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build your first campaign, how to use automations, and even some of the more advanced features. So let's just first take a very quick look at all of these features that we have at our disposal. You have, of course, the marketing platform, so email marketing, SMS marketing, WhatsApp marketing, forms, transactional messages, push messages, wallet. So you can even connect with customers via mobile wallets, meetings, landing pages. Then you have the sales platform, so sales pipelines, phone, automation, meetings, shared inbox, sales reports, conversations platform as well. So you have the live chat, chatbot, universal inbox, meetings, phone, visitor intelligence, and you have customer data platform. So you have multiple sources of import, universal data model, identity resolution. This is more advanced stuff, and messaging API. So you can increase your email deliverability. You can integrate it with your CMS, etc., etc. And you can set it up in a couple of different ways. As a marketing platform, and that's what we are going to be talking about in this video, but you can also set it up as a sales platform, conversations platform, customer data platform, or you have this messaging API. The next really exciting thing about Brevo is that it's pretty inexpensive. Actually, you can just set it up for free, and you can send up to 300 emails per day. So if you are just starting with your email marketing endeavors and you have a very small list, 300 emails per day is actually more than enough. So this is really great because on most email marketing platforms, you already have to pay, let's say, $29 per month for some kind of starter package, even if you have absolutely zero subscribers. But here you can just start building gradually and then increase your pricing tiers or just levels of your account based on the activity that you are doing and the amount of subscribers that you have, and basically the number of emails that you want to send. The most popular tier here is the business tier. You can send from 5,000 emails per month, but you have marketing automation, predictive sending, so it will actually figure out the best time when you want to send your campaign. Multi-user access, landing pages, A/B testing, which is actually pretty powerful. You don't really have it in the starter package, but you absolutely want to be A/B testing your email marketing campaigns to get the best results. And you have advanced statistics and phone support. But then you can customize your plan. So let's say that we want to go with this business tier, and let's say that you have you want to send 20,000 emails per month, which is reasonable. So then you would have to pay $62 per month. So this is really cool because you can customize this whole plan however you want. And here is what you are going to see when you log into your platform. There will be this home dashboard over here. You can check your usage and plan over here. And over here you have this calendar where you see all of the emails that you have sent or that are scheduled. And you have some extra stats so you can see everything straight away. For example, your automation and transactional emails activity, then the amount of contacts that you have, and the recent campaigns that you have sent. So this is like this main view over here. The next section here is the contacts section, where you can just check your lists, segments, companies, landing pages, forms, and settings. And this is really cool because over here you can really segment all of the contacts in your database to make sure that you send emails only to the people that you want to send emails to. You have many other really cool filters that you can use to just create custom segments. So for example, contact details. You have SMS, so SMS sent, SMS received, right? So you can already probably see how cool is that. Phone, call finished, no finished calls. And then you, of course, have this ability to check all of your contacts over here. I'm not going to really show you this because of privacy reasons, but you can check every single contact. You can get into these contacts and see what they are all about, what is their history, and so on. And you can very easily export or import contacts. So for example, over here, if you just press on this check mark, you can you have these different options that you can choose from, but you can also select all contacts, let's say from this segment, and then you can just export them in a CSV file. So this is really cool if you want to just move them through different email marketing types of software, or you want to add them to some kind of remarketing list on Google Ads or Facebook ads. And you can also very easily import contacts. So you have the ability to import contacts, companies, deals, notes, and you have this very easy step-by-step guide over here. So you can import from a CSV file, XL, SX, or even TXT file. You can even copy and paste or import from another tool. So this is really great. Then you have this ability to create segments. So you just need to click on segments over here and then create a segment. And you have these ready-made segments, for example, your most engaged email subscribers, inactive email subscribers, all email subscribers, or you can create segment from scratch. Next up, you have companies. So you can create a company, import companies. So this is really great if you are doing some B2B deals. Next, you have this ability to build landing pages. You also have forms. So you can build very simple subscription forms that you can embed on your website. And you have this drag and drop functionality here. You can check how will they look on different devices. You can select which lists are these people going to be signing up for. And you have all of these settings. But the main thing here in Brevo, especially if we are talking about email marketing, is just this ability to send email marketing campaigns. So you have all of these previous campaigns over here, and you see all of these stats very easily. You can check all of your contacts, and you have all of this different data that you can look at when just checking your campaigns. So then you just go to, let's say, email, because you have different types of campaigns, right? SMS, WhatsApp, web push, Facebook ads, all of these things. And then you can just click on this menu over here, and you can access a report. Okay, so you can very easily check all of the data about your campaign. For example, the timeline of the campaign audience, how many people got this campaign, what was the open rate and the unsubscribe rate, and trackable open rate, because right now many people opt out of these email marketing campaigns. And then you can check even deliverability, how many opens, how many clicks did you get, unsubscribes. You can check exactly who opened or clicked in your email to just segment your audience even better. And the way I do it so that I can send these emails really quickly is that I have a kind of similar template that I'm using for all of my emails, but they have, you can create campaign, and you have A/B test or regular. And let's say that we are going to create this kind of test campaign, and you can manage the sender, then you can add the recipients. Okay, save. Then recipients, so you will just choose from lists, or you have some advanced options right? So then you just click on save as well. Then you have subject. So let's say test subject. You have this preview text. So the thing that is going to show up in the preview of the email. So something like this. We are just going to be testing these things here. Then you have the design. Okay, and this is where it starts to look really cool because you have all of these templates. So you have different layouts, like the default template, kind of product template, tell a story template, register for an event, a simple template, or start from scratch. But then you have this template gallery. So this is really fantastic if you are in need of some kind of more branded types of emails. Then you have your own templates that you have created. You can just create a campaign from your campaign or a code on your own. And over here, I would like to give you an advanced tip, which is that these kinds of emails, if they have a lot of HTML and many different elements, they will have lower deliverability rate, or they will probably go into the promotions tab, or maybe even spam sometimes. It all depends on the reputation you have with your email service provider and the previous performance of your campaigns. So that's why I really like to use a very simple template, text template, because it looks more personal, it has a higher deliverability rate, and it's working pretty well. And it doesn't have a lot of HTML. So then I will just click on, let's say, use this template, and you have this really nice kind of drag and drop editor where you can just edit the whole thing. Okay, so you have the text, so you can choose the type of text that you want to include, paragraph, heading. You have different fonts. You can choose the size of the font. You can add some colors or effects. You can add links, and you have some bullet points and all of these other options. You can even use an AI assistant right now to help you write the email. You have text alignment, line height, writing direction, and then background, layout, spacing, borders, and content visibility. So you can show different elements on selected devices, etc. So this is, I think, really great because you can customize it the way you want it. So that's how basically you create a kind of basic campaign. And then once you have this template, then you can very easily start reusing it. Okay, so your subscribers will know exactly what to expect from you, but also you don't have to spend all of this time crafting these templates. But you have some extra options here. You have style, so you can even set up your brand, so your emails are always on brand. You have template, you have text appearance, so you have buttons, and you have spacing. So this is like the style that you can be using for most of your email marketing campaigns. So it's going to be reusable. But as I said, you can just set up a basic template and then just reuse it. And you have the ability to generate texts with AI assistant. So let's say generate a paragraph. Okay, so you can just type in whatever you want, and it will give you this really basic kind of AI assistant written text. So maybe it's not as good as ChatGPT or Claude, but it's a starting point. Okay, and once you have set up all of these things, you can also check the desktop mode or mobile mode just to make sure it looks great. Then you can send a test email to a specific recipient to just receive that email and make sure that everything is looking good. and you can even preview the email. You have version history, save as PDF or save as template. So then once you are happy with your email, you can just send on save and exit. And right now this is in draft, but then you can just click on schedule and you can send it immediately. You can schedule for later, or you can send it at best time. And that's how you do it. And then it will be sent out during the scheduled time, and you can really easily see what's going on with the reports and stuff. Then you have options like SMS campaigns. These are a little bit more advanced. I haven't been trying these, but you have that option. You have WhatsApp campaigns. You have web push notifications. You have Facebook ads. Then you have access to your templates. So then you can reuse them for a campaign, right? You can duplicate them. You can create a new campaign out of them. Then you have statistics, which is really cool. You can check exactly what was going on with your campaigns. And you have settings, so default settings, test list, unsubscribe pages, Google Analytics and social, calculated values, webhooks, your senders and domains, get a dedicated IP, conversions, WhatsApp. So you would just have to click through all of them. This is like a basic tutorial. But the main important thing here is that you set up your senders and domains. Because you need that SPF and DKIM so that your email will have a higher deliverability rate. So you do that in your DNS settings in your domain hosting provider. Next up, we have automations. So this is pretty amazing over here. I'm just going to show you a basic automation that you can build in Brevo. So automations are fantastic if you want to just save a lot of time and send emails automatically. For example, if you have email sales drips, if you want to reach out to customers automatically, you can set up many steps in your email automation campaigns. So for example, you always have to have some kind of entry point. For example, over here, it's that contact is added to the list. So usually you have some kind of integration. You can use these forms from Brevo. When somebody signs up and fills out the form, you can automatically add them to this list. But usually you will probably use something like lead pages or Optimonk or some kind of lead capturing software. And then you will integrate it with Brevo. It has all of these integrations built in, but you can also integrate it via Zapier or make.com. But let's say that somebody is added to this list, and then you have this whole cascade of steps that can be taken to just really invite them into your marketing world, send them your offers, and etc., etc. So here's the example. So first we send them an email. Let's say 7-step course introduction series, because I've been selling this course about AI in online marketing. Then wait for 2 days, and let's say, have they clicked on any link? So you have all of these options over here. So for example, if they have clicked on any link within like 2 days, then wait for 24 hours and do this next thing. But if they haven't, then send them another email. Okay, and you can set it up however you want. This is especially great if you want to build more urgency in your marketing campaigns. For example, if you have a promo that lasts only 48 hours, so then you can set up the waiting period and just build out this automation however you want. And you have loads of steps that you can include here. So you can either send an email, send a payment request, send an SMS, WhatsApp message, send a notification, add the contact into a list, remove the contact from a list, call a webhook, update contact attribute, blocklist a contact, start another workflow, go to another step, perform a CRM action, record a conversion, and you have conditions. So you can add a delay, wait until, if else conditions, or you can even A/B split these different automations that you are running. So you can see that these options are quite extensive and infinite. You can also test your workflow to make sure that it's working properly. You can change the status, and you can also see the stats of your automation. And the really cool thing is that you can build out many of these automations. And to get started, you can just click on Create an Automation. And you have ready-made automations as well, which is fantastic. And you have the classic editor, or you have the new editor that just looks way cooler. So you have abandoned cart automations, product purchase, welcome message, a marketing activity, anniversary date, right? And you can see that if you just, let's say, want to set up an abandoned cart automation, then it will be ready for you. And then you just click on use this automation and you can just adjust it, right? You just need to set it up properly. Okay, but it will just walk you through the whole thing. Right, but then if you just set up these conditions correctly, you have a ready-made automation within just a couple of minutes. You also have this real-time transactional email log, so you can see, let's say, in the last 24 hours, what was going on. You also have conversations, so you can hook up your chatbot or WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, email, or even a chat widget and talk to your potential customers directly on the platform. Then you have this deals over here. So this is basically like a little CRM for you. So you can just add contacts here and then just drag and drop them, or maybe even set up automations to move them to these different stages based on the marketing activity. You also have meetings. So this requires some extra setup, but people can book meetings with you when you're available. So this is like Calendly, kind of. And you have calls, so you can make, receive, and manage phone calls directly from desktop and mobile and get detailed stats about your activities. So as you can see, even on this kind of really basic tier, this is a really powerful marketing platform. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I'm going to see you in the next one.